Big week ahead in the markets. We have Fed announcement on interest rates. We have GDP announcement on a potential recession. Let's discuss both topics in today's video. Hey, and welcome. My name is Julian. On this channel, I talk about crypto, general markets, what's happening, what I do in these markets, how I invest my money. Just sharing my thoughts on all this. I hope you're doing well. Week is going well. Just coming from a breakfast meeting off for a call, then lunch. Quite a busy day today. Long day. But that's good. Being productive. Quite good progress for us in the company. It's going well. Despite the downtrend in the market, we've done extremely well, so quite proud of the team and everything. So the hard work is paying off. It's always nice. That aside, let's go in. Fed meeting, it's expected that we're going to hear, I think tomorrow the announcement should come out, 0.75%. I would be really surprised if we see any other number. Powell was very straightforward on that this should be the expectation. I think if the market sees anything else, I think the market would really be nervous. I think it would be nervous in either side. I think it would be really nervous on 0.5 and I think it would be really nervous on 1%. So not expecting, to be honest, any other number there. Don't expect that the market's going to react much to 0.75. Should be very straightforward. The other thing, obviously, GDP numbers for Q2. The Biden administration came out and said that they are changing a bit the definition of a recession. They're calling it more of a potential slowdown of the economy. Whoever buys that BS is up to them. But I think the expectation here is that we are going to be in a recession, no matter what you call it. You can call whatever you want, but at the end it's a recession. And I think there's no surprise there. I wouldn't expect anything else out of that. So I think market's pricing that in. I think the market is really kind of going there already. And we have seen this over the past couple of weeks, interestingly. All the companies have had quite abysmal earnings on a lot of things. This was kind of a big kind of fear risk for many, where they said, hey, if we see these abysmal earnings on these companies, we may see prices drop, P/E ratios and so on. And so we've actually not seen this. We've actually seen the exact opposite, because it seems that the market was so bearish, so pessimistic on a lot of these companies. This week we have Apple. That's going to be an important one. I always feel Apple really kind of a strong trendsetter. Tesla was last week, was at the end very strong. So above expectations. That's always the key thing, right? I mentioned this a lot in investing. The expectation of an event is almost the same thing as the actual event. So it's all about expectations. Is something above expectation or below expectation? And so it's going to be a bit of a nervous week in a sense where there's quite some important things happening, but I'm actually quite confident. If I would have to be a short-term trader, which I'm not, I'm long-term positioned, I wouldn't expect the market to rally. I wouldn't expect the market to drop. I think for now we're going to stay in range both on stocks and crypto. So let's see. But again, that's just expectation. And then August. July comes to an end. August. August is going to be a lot, I think, development on crypto, insolvencies of the companies, liquidations, seeing if miners are still panicking, what's going to happen to the Mt. Gox kind of release of the funds. So these are probably a few of the things I will be watching. But in general, summer so far, it's been better than I think many of us had expected. So for now, quite hopeful. If you are in crypto, then maybe you want to get cash flow on your crypto, check out cakedefi.com. We're completely transparent about how you're going to get the cash flow. We're not like all these other companies that went belly up. That's why we have been doing really well. And if you're not in crypto yet, this may be a good opportunity, good prices, so good time to get in. Yeah, cakedefi.com, check us out. And otherwise, I hope you subscribe to either the YouTube channel or wherever you're watching this or listening to, and then I get to talk to you next time. So stay safe, stay healthy. Talk later. Yours truly, Julian. Bye-bye.